I've tested this indicator with incredible results. Stick around to witness the amazing outcome as we dive into the ultimate trading adventure. Fire up your TradingView and head over to the Indicators tab. We are on the lookout for two key indicators: volatility adjusted weighted and cloud trend. Here are the settings, so copy them exactly for our strategy to work. The cloud trend indicator is a robust tool designed to identify and follow trends in financial markets. The volatility adjusted weighted triple exponential is a technical analysis tool designed for traders, offering a more dynamic and responsive measure of market trends. For a buy entry, wait for the double exponential moving average to turn green, and both lines must be above the white exponential moving average. Then we want to see a pullback of the double exponential moving average and white exponential moving average at the same time. For the enter, the cloud trend must be blue and a bullish candle confirming the upward momentum. Set your stop loss at the recent low and aim for a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Same goes for a sell entry. Here are the backtesting results. This was used on the gold 30-minute chart. Success is just a click away. Keep those wins coming by watching the next video for more profits. Hit subscribe now.